In this video, we're going to look at how to use reverb and then the other effects such as delay, echo, and chorus. The reverb slider allows you to add more space to your sound. It essentially puts your voice or instrument in a larger room. The more reverb you add, the larger the effect. Let's play around with reverb now. So you can adjust the amount of reverb you want by adjusting the reverb slider. Now to change some of the effects, you hold down the vocoder button and you can choose between reverb, echo, delay, and chorus. And then once you've selected the one that you'd like to use, you can use the reverb slider to adjust the level. So I've chosen echo. Let's have a listen to that now. Next we'll try delay. Finally, let's choose chorus.